We always talk here about being prepared and having the right gear and equipment with you for whatever situation you need. Well, I found myself in Epcot recently and I hadn't planned ahead, and I had a last-second opportunity to shoot the fireworks. So I made the best out of the situation. I think it came out pretty good. I took a little video. Check this out. You'll see what I mean. Okay, so you're in Epcot and you decided at the last second that you're going to shoot IllumiNations, but you didn't plan ahead. You didn't bring your tripod, you don't have your cable release, you didn't do any of the things we told you that you needed to do to shoot fireworks. So what do? Well, in Epcot there's a great spot to shoot fireworks from. It's the upstairs balcony in Japan. And from up here, you have a great view of IllumiNations. There's a railing here. A nice flat railing. You can rest your camera on that, so you don't need a tripod. And it's a great place to watch it. We got here about 10 minutes before the show. There was nobody else here. It's filling up a little bit now, but you can get here at the last second. You can set up on the railing and shoot the whole show. And right at the end of this, I'm going to drop a bunch of the pictures from tonight. I shot leaning on this railing without a tripod, without a cable release, without any planning ahead of time. The shots that I got tonight. So check these out.